Hello friends, good morning. Today we are pleasure to announce that Zydus Cadila launched first time in India GFF combination. Forglyn MDI meter dose inhaler. Why Zydus launched Forglyn MDI in India? Because 55.3 million patients suffer from COPD in India with different severity and impacted inspiratory capacity. So introducing Forglyn MDI. Forglyn MDI has rational combination with glycopyrrolate 9 mcg and formoterol fumarate 4.88 mcg. That is India's first GFF combination in cutting-edge MDI device with counted 120 meter dose. Forglyn MDI has unique patented LSM technology. Forglyn MDI offers sustained improvement in inspiratory capacity for over 24 hours. For better inhalation, patients should take MDI with spacer for better lung deposition. For better improvement, COPD patients should take 2 puff in morning and 2 puff in evening. So after look at all benefits, Forglyn MDI has reliable MRP 495. Thank you friends for watching this video.